did 과거 동영상 사진기로 찍어봐. 그 여자가 108번의 행동 했는지. Did she go? Did she eat? Did she lie? Did she ring? Did she sing? Did she spring? Did she swim? Did she sink? Did she drink? Did she begin? Did she rise? Did she see? Did she write? Did she know? Did she give? Did she take? Did she shake? Did she throw? Did she blow? Did she fly? Did she fall? Did she grow? Did she ride? Did she drive? Did she freeze? Did she bear? Did she awake? Did she wear? Did she swear? Did she speak? Did she choose? Did she steal? Did she get? Did she hide? Did she bite? Did she tear? Did she break? Did she say? Did she tell? Did she hear? Did she feel? Did she weep? Did she sleep? Did she sit? Did she stand? Did she wind? Did she find? Did she sink? Did she mean? Did she bring? Did she meet? Did she flee? Did she catch? Did she hold? Did she fight? Did she win? Did she creep? Did she bind? Did she hang? Did she sting? Did she swing? Did she stick? Did she feed? Did she leave? Did she lead? Did she buy? Did she have? Did she sell? Did she send? Did she lose? Did she spend? Did she pay? Did she dig? Did she lay? Did she make? Did she bend? Did she build? Did she lend? Did she light? Did she burn? Did she spill? Did she sweep? Did she keep? Did she run? Did she come? Did she let? Did she read? Did she set? Did she put? Did she spread? Did she hit? Did she burst? Did she cast? Did she cut? Did she slit? Did she split? Did she thrust? Did she hurt? Did she shed? Did she coast? Did she shut? Did she sow? Did she sow? Did she swell? Did she show? Did she prove? 꿈이 보이네? 구독을 눌러서 사진파에 가입을 해. 좋아요를 눌러서 사진파를 널리 퍼뜨리자.